Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another Spend the Day with me as a wife slash content creator. If you're new here, I am a freelance content creator. So some days I work, some days I don't work at all. But I am a new wife, and yeah, I've been married like two months and a half maybe. The last video I did about Spend the Day with me, I had a lot of like content to film, so I was mostly like working and not doing my wife things. In this vlog, I'm hoping to show more of my wife like chores, and I wouldn't call them chores. Like, I don't want anybody to feel like I do things because I have to. That's not how we work, me and my husband. It's just like while I'm at home and not doing anything, like the bare minimum with me for me to like change the trash or put the laundry, and it's fun for me. If it ever becomes like something I hate doing, then we would find like a solution. I don't know why I'm like explaining myself, because I feel like there's a lot of hate around being like a housewife, and like, I don't know, there's a lot of negative things around that subject, and I feel like that's wrong. That's a wrong mindset. Like, if you're home and he's like at work doing the full time, 9 to 5, why would I complain about like doing the bare minimum in the house, like cleaning? I mean, at least the things I like to do. Like, for example, I hate washing dishes. That's like my one thing that I just hate doing. So it's always like either he does them or we get someone to do them. You can always find like solutions if you guys don't, like, if you're a wife that doesn't like to cook or things like that. Usually either start my morning or like the evening before, I write down what needs to be done today, like the things that are crucial. Like, for example, our trashes are like super full, and I put it on my to-do list, and it makes me so happy to like check the things after I do them. I also try to have an idea of what we're gonna have for lunch, because it just makes life easier. It's so weird that I used to never have breakfast, like, or if I had breakfast, it would be like I would be forcing myself. And these days, it's like I cannot function if I don't have breakfast, and it's like I start to crave things, which I'm so happy about. But yeah, it comes and goes in phases. I guess it's also related to my cycle. So like I said, I need to change the trashes. I hate our trashes, but don't judge, okay? I'm gonna get prettier ones later.
Done, and now I have the toilet trash, which is the worst. I have to like...
Here's my outfit of the day. Black on black. I don't know if you can see the full outfit. Done with the trashes. Now I'm gonna remove the laundry that I put to dry yesterday. Laundry done. These are the things I need to steam, but I'm not gonna do it now because I have some chicken left over from yesterday, and we're gonna make like chicken sandwiches with them, and I need to, I don't know what the word is, but I need to like peel the chicken. All done, and now we can make like sandwiches. We put garlic, like the Lebanese garlic, in it, and it's so good. And I think I'm gonna do like fries as well, so we can like put it in the sandwich. It's like a shawarma, but not really actually. I decided I'm gonna wash some of the colored stuff, not these, because my husband needs a jean, like his jeans, and so I don't know. And also, does anybody else get super confused like what colors they can put together? I'm always like every single time I have to text my mom and be like, what can I put? What the temperature should be? It's still like it doesn't come easily to me, you know? So wish me luck. Hopefully the jeans will stay the same color. I don't know. I'm just gonna like these colors are fine, right? And I'm thinking blacks. I don't know. You think if I put black it's fine? I don't know. I'm thinking genuinely I should print a paper. No, not print a paper. Just put it like stick a paper here, and maybe I'll write down like the temperatures, the colors, because my mind goes blank every time I come back to do the washing. And then I have my swimsuit. I'm also not sure about this, but I think I'm gonna like do it separately. Like just put this and then some warm water. But what if like this? I don't know. Maybe not warm water. I feel like it's been a productive day, honestly. It's only 11. Laundry is done. The dry laundry is folded. The food is like very easy. We're just gonna make sandwiches with the chicken that I plucked. And yeah, what else? The trashes are changed. I don't think I need to clean anything anymore. I think I can start doing content stuff. I did film a short reel this morning and I'm so happy I did it. Like I just get so happy when I shoot something that I can post. It was that one. It's a very simple like 5-second reel. I need to edit a vlog. Yeah, I have so many vlogs that I need to edit. I'm not up to date with the posting on vlog. One thing we do daily, I carry him and I just let him look out the window. We have a garden outside like there, but this side he never is able to see it because he's like too small. So he loves when I carry him. He just like focuses so much and he's like trying to see any movement out the window and I feel like he enjoys it. Sometimes he thinks he saw someone and then he starts barking, but then I tell him there's nobody. And sometimes he just barks at the bird. So funny. He desperately needs a shower. Oh my god, you can't see him. But I'm not gonna shower him now because his birthday is coming up soon. And so I want to shower him like a few days before the birthday. He hates showers, by the way. It's actually the perfect weather to tan. I just don't feel like sitting in the sun. But I'm so white. I need it. Oh, look, guys, we found bees in our garden and we're not sure what to do with them. I don't want to get close because I'm scared. I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. Here, can you see? This is all bees like on top of each other. It's actually scary. Steaming
all done.
Guys, it is now 1:50. I did not do much, to be honest. I ordered 3 cute squishy, like the cutest squishies, but they're not like the very satisfying ones. Like, I don't know how to explain. They're more like a sponge than a squishy, but I didn't know because I ordered them online. But look how real they look. And I got Bounty and I got a Pepsi, and it's for my husband's niece. She's obsessed with squishes. I mean, everybody is obsessed, including me. And like, she had like a small procedure at the hospital today, and she was really like nervous, and so I thought we could go visit them. She's done now and she's okay, and she's going home. So yeah, but I'm thinking I want to keep one. I ordered 3 because I knew I was gonna keep one, just so don't get angry at me, okay guys? I just don't know which one. I don't care which one, but I'm just thinking which ones she will like. I'm sure she will be super happy about the Pringles. And then, I don't know, between these two, like, I'm sure she knows Pepsi, but I'm not sure she knows Bounty. But the Bounty shape is more interesting because, like, this one is kind of, like, similar to this, so... And also, like, these are the big ones, so I think she'll be happier with, like, big ones. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. It is 4 p.m. and I am currently here exporting. Where is it? Here. Exporting the vlog. But yeah, that's not the end of it. Like, I export, like, I edit the vlog, export, and then the next step is to do a good thumbnail for it, and then a good description, a good title, good hashtags, post. So yeah, there's still a few things, so it's not gonna get posted right now, but it will get posted today, hopefully. The plan now is to get myself ready because in a few minutes, I think, we're gonna go visit my husband's niece. Like I told you, I'm gonna take her the squishies, and when I come back, I need to cook for tomorrow. This is the first time, honestly, I do that, but I think this is gonna be good. I usually like to cook on the day off, but tomorrow I have a shoot in the morning, and I know I'm not gonna be able to do like anything for lunch. So me and my mom are gonna cook tonight, and yeah. And the reason why I don't like doing this is because the food is just yummier on the day of, but it's okay, we're just gonna heat it. A quick makeup transition. Boom. I forgot what the sound was when I did a sound when I clapped in the before, but I forgot what it was. That's my makeup. I feel like my hair is getting oily, which is a problem because I have a shoot tomorrow morning and I need my hair to be not greasy. Don't know if I want to go for dry shampoo. I think, yeah, maybe. I haven't used this in so long. I hate using it. I feel like it just dries my hair. Like, that's the point, I guess. Is it even doing anything? It usually does like a white color. I swear this lasts me like 2 times. And then it's like done. Guys, I'm so happy I found the cutest pink bag. And oh my god! Wait, what's that? Is it like a... That's the Victoria's Secret? Yeah. I'm gonna put her the squishies inside. I think it's just cuter. And I decided I'm not gonna keep any. I can always order if I want. Here we go. All 3. Done. My sister got gifted this thing. And then we all tried it, and now I ordered myself one because it is amazing, and I'm gonna test it now, but like I won't test it properly, sorry, because my hair is already like, it's like a 3rd day hair. Anyways, you'll see. Okay, it's kind of like, I feel like it's too hot right now. I don't know, I'm not sure what I'm doing, guys, but here we go. So I just put my hair here and I press the button. Ah, look at that. Crazy. But wait, is it burning my hair? I'm concerned. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna go for a lower. I'm gonna go for 180. Because, yeah. And that was the correct way. Yay! Hey guys, we are on our way. Say hi.
Hi.
What's up? How was your day?
Good. How was yours?
Good.
Perfect.
Cool.
Someone keeps
Checking on the bunny.
Where is Willow? Where's Willow? Move.
Oh, we can't open? I want to go inside. How are we gonna carry them?
Hello.
Can I film them?
Yeah. There.
Where are they?
Down there. Hello. Can someone hold this? Maha, you want to
Cute.
hold this?
Hey guys, we are back home and it's 8 p.m. exactly. I started cooking. I don't think you can see here. I'm cooking tomorrow's dish. I'm making stroganoff. I still, like, if I can, I want to do my nails because I have a shoot tomorrow and I think I'd rather have like good looking nails because I'm sure I'm gonna have like some close-ups and stuff, so but I don't know if I'm gonna have the time because I'm already tired. Alright guys, I'm in my PJs. My mom took over the cooking because the beef was taking so long to cook and I still need to do my nails and it's already, oh, it's 8:40. Okay, I really thought it was like way worse, but yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If I remember, I'll just add a small shot of how my nails turned out, if I remember, because I always think it's gonna take me like 1 hour max and then it ends up taking me like 2 hours. But yeah, I'm gonna do something very simple just because I don't have time and I want to sleep early today. Alright, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog or video.